Good morning, children. This is Sachi teacher again. Children, in this module, I'm going to share with you all few instructions how to go about while doing your history project. So let's start. Children, these are the general guidelines. First is what? Your project to be done in the last pages of your history notebook. Do not use the very last page of your notebook. Draw margins neatly in all the pages. Write the topic of the project in block letters. Second page, write the content. Mention date of the formation. Next page is 4 to 5 pages should contain matter of the topic. Last page, conclusion. Draw neat borders around the pictures and label them. Children, your project carries 15 marks. Okay? We have already discussed about the 5 marks which you can score if you maintain your notebook in the proper manner and make it presentable. Now in this module we will talk about that 15 marks which you can easily score if you will make your project presentable. So how you can go about and make your project more and more creative and presentable? Here I am going to share with you all those instructions. In the first page, you will write history project and the topic of the project. Okay, decorate the first page very nicely. Children, I know that you all are very creative, and it depends upon you how you are going to decorate your first page. Yes, you are in standard 7 now. You have already done our history project in standard 6 also. So you are having an idea that how to decorate your project. You can use different color paper borders, pictures. You can draw different ideas you can get from the net also, children. But your project to be very attractive. In the second page, you will write the content. See the table there in the slide. You have to make a table and write down the content, what all things are there in your project along with the page number. You have to mention the page number in the right hand side. Okay, suppose if you are writing the acknowledgement in page number 1, you will write page number 1 on the right hand side and acknowledgement on the left hand side. In the first part, you will write the acknowledgement and introduction along with the page number. Second part, matter of the topic, what all topics you have covered in this project. And last, conclusion and bibliography along with the page number. Now, acknowledgement. This is a sample which I am sharing with you all. If you are not having an idea how to write an acknowledgement, you can go through this once and write it down. Then the introduction. You have to introduce your project in 4 to 5 lines, not more than that. And children, you have to use only color pencils. You are not going to use sketch pens, okay, for decorating your project. Now, matter of the topic, what all things you have to cover in this project. The first and the foremost, you will stick the picture of the president, present president of India, and write 2 lines about him. Second, prime minister. Yes, he is very common to everyone now. He is very well known to everyone. Yes, so you will stick the picture of Mr. Narendra Modi there and you will write few lines about him. You will stick 2 pictures in each page. Okay, one picture on the right hand side and the other picture on the left hand side on the same page, bottom. And try to write down all the what all things you are writing about that picture. You will write in bullets. The second topic is Jharkhand. You have to write about the Chief Minister of Jharkhand and the Governor of Jharkhand. You will stick picture of the Chief Minister of Jharkhand and the Governor of Jharkhand and write two lines about them. Third is the Cabinet Ministers. I have given here few names, just like Home. Who is the Home Minister of India? You have to surf the net. You will find it out. You will take help of your parents, your teachers, your friends, your relatives, your brother and sisters, and you have to write it there. You can go through the newspapers, magazines also. The second is Defense Minister, then Finance Minister, External Affairs Ministers, Home Affairs Minister, Sports Minister, Ministry of Agriculture, External Affairs Minister, Tribal Affairs Minister, Ministry of Child and Women Development. Sorry. You have to write down all these about all these ministers. Make your project creative and attractive. Do not use sketch pen. Use color pencils for drawing or underlining. Use black ink. Write two lines about each ministers. Write about two ministers in each page and stick their pictures. You can collect the pictures of ministers from old newspaper and magazines also. Draw borders in each page. That's all for today. Thank you.